In this video, I will show you how you can get started on learning vibrato. But before we begin, it's important to know that generally we speak of three kinds of vibrato: arm vibrato, wrist vibrato, and finger vibrato. One of the main traits of a beautiful vibrato is when all three techniques are combined in a relaxed and rhythmical manner to create even oscillations of the vibrato. This can be done easily in 3 steps. Firstly, learning the motor skills needed without the instrument, which we will do today. Secondly, applying the learned motor skills to the violin only, without the bow. And thirdly, adding the bow once the first 2 steps have been done thoroughly and the motor skills have acquired adequate repetitions. It can be useful to practice with a metronome. I have set mine for 50 beats per minute. Once you can do these exercises well, you can go ahead and increase the tempo by 2 beats each time until you feel ready for the next step of the process. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed this vibrato practice with me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and keep up the good practice.